So, a bird just flew down my chimney and is now just chilling in my fireplace. Oh God! Ah! I mean, he must have just fell or slipped. I don't know. He's probably just looking for somewhere cool. This isn't the place. I'm gonna have to catch you. You're not gonna like it. Alright, you just stay there. No snacks for you. Okay, here we go, little birdie. I know, it's okay. It's okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Don't freak out now. Don't freak out. It's okay. It's okay. Let me get the door. There's one more. Okay. Okay. Good, little birdie. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back here. Okay. Door. Up. Okay. You ready? You ready? Just gonna sit you down. Here you go. Right there. There. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. That's okay. Oh, there he goes. Oh, God. Okay, got it.